but that was a while back, and I don't think I talked about value of the stuff inside one of these scrap versus, for example, selling it online or even locally to people who want to fix their stuff. So I have this guy over here. It's partially opened already. So compared to newer consoles, there's a lot of low-grade stuff in this. Lots of plastic, garbage. Tested the hard drive. It's very old school, not surprising. And the hard drive is dead. It's like at 0 health. So this was definitely one of the problems. It also doesn't power on properly. It kind of turns on and off, especially when you press the eject button. I don't know if that's a power supply issue, but if you don't press any buttons or anything, it stays on. So I doubt it's a power supply issue. So it's either like a main board or some kind of weird issue like that on the main board. So we got this guy here, so I'll put this on the side. I'll put it on the side when I make my hard drive scrapping video. But in this video, I'm just gonna put the value of what it actually is from the usual place I use, which is board sort. So we got this guy here. Got a old hard drive cable here, and obviously this is definitely gonna have gold pins in it. Obviously good for wire scrap. So let's get this DVD drive out, which doesn't take too much time. It's just a couple of screws. That should open that up pretty easy. There you go. So let's bust this guy open. So since I don't have any way to properly test it, because every time I press the eject button it turns off, and I don't have another another Xbox to kind of swap the drive, and I don't have a lot of experience with Xboxes, so I don't know if you can swap the drives